Let's solve this together. It says x squared minus y squared is equal to 37 and x squared plus y squared is what we're looking for. Alright? So first things first, let's state a law here. So when you have something like x squared minus y squared, there's a law called the difference of two squares, and that's what you apply here. Now, the difference of two squares is as follows. So we have, factorizing this now, we have that this is x plus y multiplied by x minus y. Okay? So when you multiply x plus y by x minus y, you get x squared minus y squared. Alright? And this is equal to our 37 here. Okay? So for the next part is to stipulate some facts, okay, that will aid us in getting this answer. Now, first things first, this says two numbers are multiplying to give you 37. Now, what are the multiples of 37? The whole numbers are multiplying to give you 37. Well, 37 is a prime number, and 37 is equal to 37 multiplied by 1. Okay? Now, the next thing we ask ourselves is that which one is 37 and which one is 1 amongst these two things. Now, when you cause x plus y should always be greater than x minus y. Okay? Given that x and y are positive numbers, x plus y should be greater than x minus y. Alright? Having that at the back of our mind, let's go ahead and solve this now. So we have that x plus y is equal to 37. And our x minus y is equal to 1. Okay? Let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. Okay? Now you can say, when we add these two equations, we have that 2x is equal to 38. Hence x is equal to 19. Okay? Now moving on from here, we now have that if x is 19, it means that y is what? Y is 18. Okay? So we have that x is equal to 19 and y is equal to 18. Okay? Now, the next thing we're required to solve is that we're required to solve for x squared plus y squared. Okay? Let's do that now. Solving for x squared and y squared, okay? Since x is 19 and y is 18, we can now say that our x squared is 381. That's 19 squared. Plus 18 squared is 324. Okay? Now this is equal to 7, okay, 0, 5. Okay? And this is our x squared plus y squared. Okay? So our answer is 705. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.